Well, it's bitter cold up here in Corsock today. I'm just about to head off to Poland for another couple of weeks for some more surgery. But before I go, I wanted to show you this system that we've been developing for the last couple of years now. This coming season we're going to be concentrating more and more on queen rearing, because that's what I'm finding that most of you want to know about is the actual queen rearing and how to produce the best queens that you possibly can. Now, one of the problems, especially when you're new doing queen rearing, you'll find is that you'll do some grafts and you'll go off to put these in your self starters and then onto your finishes. What you're finding is that if you graft 20, you might not get 20, you might get 10, 15, or sometimes even less. And with our queen rearing seasons being so short, you want to get the maximum amount of queens out of your cell raisers as you possibly can. So one way to get around this is a 24-hour box. So what you're going to do is you're going to do your grafts into this for the first 24 hours, and then you're going to pick out your best cells that you've got to go into your cell finishes that they'll become then. So if you want 20, you should be able to get 20 out of this. The way that you're going to be able to get 20 out of this is that you're actually going to be doing up to 60 grafts. And you can use these Nikot systems, and you're going to graft and you'll do 60 grafts into this. This is a 3-frame Langstroth box. Now when this is packed full of bees, for those first 24 hours there's more than enough young bees in this box to pull out 60 cells quite easily. To actually take them all the way through to when they're ready to go into either an incubator or into your mating nooks, there's not going to be enough bees in there. But for that initial first 24 hours, so you know which grafts that you've actually done are going to be successful, this box is going to be good enough to do. And then what you're going to do, you're going to pick the best of the best from these. They're going to go into your finishes, and you're going to just dispose of the rest, or you can use them in other cell finishes if you want to. But this way you're going to guarantee yourself you're going to get what you actually need out of the box. And what we're going to do this season is I'll show you how to make up one of these boxes. They're quite easy to do. You're not going to waste a lot of bees in these boxes, because once you've finished with them, you can take one of the cells, pop it in there, let those bees finish that cell off, and you got yourself another 3-frame nook that can build up and go on to be another good production colony if you wish. But that's what we're going to be mainly concentrating on this season. As I said before, we're going to do 4 videos a week. 3 of those videos are going to be ad hoc sort of videos that we will do as we're doing our work through the week, and then the final video of the week will be one of the main ones. And as I said, they're going to be mainly on queen rearing that we're going to be concentrating on this year. So if you're watching this on YouTube, click on that subscribe button below, click on the bell, and you'll get notification. If you're watching on Facebook, it'll appear in your timeline.